Best Android antivirus apps for 2024. As the world relies more on smartphones, keeping them secure is a top priority. With Android being the most popular operating system, choosing the right antivirus app is crucial. Gadinsiders tested and compiled a list of the best Android antivirus apps to ensure your device stays protected in 2024. Number 1. Total AV Antivirus and VPN. Features: beyond virus protection, Total AV offers a VPN, password manager, and performance booster. Pros: comprehensive features including cloud scanning and data breach protection. Cons: paid plans can be expensive. Rating: 9.7 over 10. Price: $99 to $149 annually. Maximum devices up to 6. Number 2. Surfshark. Features: alongside antivirus protection, Surfshark includes a VPN and offers unlimited device connections. Pros: integrated VPN ensures privacy and security online. Cons: lacks some advanced features found in standalone antivirus programs. Rating: 8.9 over 10, with a price of $49 annually. Maximum devices unlimited. Number 3. Trend Micro Mobile Security and Antivirus. Features: Trend Micro offers strong malware detection at an affordable price point. Pros: lightweight on system resources. Cons: interface could be improved for better user experience. With a rating of 8.6 over 10 and a price range of $39.95 to $149.95 annually. Maximum devices up to 10. Number 4. Avast Antivirus Scan and Remove Virus Cleaner. Features: Avast's free version includes firewall protection alongside malware detection. Pros: comprehensive malware protection with a firewall. Cons: can be heavy on system resources. With a rating of 8.5 over 10, it also has a free version available. Paid plans range from $50.28 to $69.48 annually, with maximum devices up to 10. Number 5. AVG Antivirus Free Android Virus Cleaner. AVG prioritizes privacy with features like a built-in firewall and minimal impact on device performance. Pros: strong focus on user privacy. Cons: free version contains ads. Some advanced features require a premium subscription. With a rating of 8.6 over 10, there's a free version available, and paid plans range from $0 to $77.88 annually, allowing maximum devices up to 10. Number 6. ESET Mobile Security and Antivirus. ESET offers affordable pricing and light system resource usage, making it ideal for students. Pros: lightweight on system resources. Cons: lacks some advanced features found in other antivirus suites. With a rating of 8.4 over 10, the price range is $39.99 to $79.99 annually, allowing maximum devices up to 5. Number 7. Kaspersky VPN and Antivirus. Kaspersky's intuitive interface makes it user-friendly with comprehensive malware protection. Pros: intuitive and user-friendly interface. Cons: subscription plans can be pricey. With a rating of 9.1 over 10, it also includes a free version with paid plans ranging from $0 to $49.99 annually. It allows of maximum devices up to 10. Whether you prioritize bonus features, VPN integration, affordability, or user-friendliness, there is an Android antivirus app in 2024 that suits your needs. Stay safe and protected with these top-rated antivirus solutions for Android devices.